There's like different trails here, so that's pretty nice. There are different stations. You can go different ways. And see where there's a creek and where north is. That's cool. Repay by bamboo. Sound of nature.
Me farting?
No. Oop.
Go vegan!
This is some temple stuff. I don't know. It looks very religious. Even you give gifts and flowers to the gods. And there's a water hole here. Whoa! It seems that there are like natural minerals. The water is like the bubbles down there or something. It's like something is coming up. I'm not sure. It looks very strange.
Yeah, it must be some kind of...
Maybe the limestone minerals or the chalk or calcium. Calcium, it's like...
No.
Can you
No,
dive?
No?
No?
No. Then it wouldn't only be at the center. Then it would be... It has to be some kind of... what do I call it?
But isn't it gas or minerals or?
It is.
But
Yeah.
I don't know what that means. We can maybe ask A.
Yeah.
There's also a broom. Some kind of hive here. I'm not sure what it is. We'll like meet a bear or like a vampire or like a snake that kills us. That is the question. Oh, butterflies. Came to this sign on this road. To the right. So you have like an ant nest there. It's a quite big one. Pretty crazy trees around. This is a palm tree, banana palm. This is probably organic bananas. And some more organic bananas. And like a banana flower. It's like a lot of stairs up there. It's the cave near the sticky waterfalls. The Buddha. Probably you may not film him here or whatever. It's a holy place.
Like what people?
Going down the stairs.